I love is strong every day. Remix healthy grassy picture plains. I am glad I'm not colorblind. Blue the sea, ocean deep, no rocks will ever come between. Swirling ripples of this loving kind. Red and blue make solid brown.
Hi guys and welcome. This is me, JB Rose, singing vegan mum. I'm not even going to try and attempt to work out what week this is during this lockdown. It's a couple of months now, lockdown, we're at home, everybody is having to do the right thing. I hope you are well, I hope you are safe. Now today, I'm gonna do a drink for you, a Caribbean drink which is healthy, really good for you, made from the hibiscus flower called sorrel. Yes, sorrel. Now back in the day, we used to always drink this at Christmas and not really much throughout the year. I don't know why, we only drank it at Christmas, but it's really healthy for you. I'm gonna add extra bits and pieces to my sorrel to make it even more healthy, and I'm going to share it around with my dad and everybody else because I'm going to add lots of immune busting ingredients. I got my hibiscus leaves and I soaked them overnight, and as you can see it's beautiful, it's lovely and red. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in a pot and I'm going to start to warm it up, and I'm going to add some ginger to it. Before I even carry on, don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Share my videos, tell everybody about JB Rose, singing vegan mum, because what I do, I make healthy vegan recipes for everybody. So make sure you share it and watch to the end. My healthy version of Caribbean sorrel. So here is our pot, and this is the sorrel that I had soaked overnight. Can you see how lovely and red it is? It's already infused, and I'm going to grate the whole ginger, including the skin. We don't want to lose any of the good stuff because there's lots of good qualities just under the skin. Enough ginger, and it's all going to go into our pot. I'm going to let it boil, and then I'm going to leave it to simmer for a hot second. I did say I'm going to depart from the usual recipe, and I'm going to add some cayenne pepper. We all know how good turmeric is for us, so I'm going to add some turmeric. Now normally you're supposed to add in some pimento seeds. I don't have any, but cloves are nice too. I'm going to add a few cloves. Smells beautiful. The ginger's already boiled, it's beautiful. The final thing I'm going to add, again immune busting, but also this is really good for you, is called ashwagandha. I love the name, I'm going to say it again, ashwagandha. Now you don't need to add any of these things, but I'm just introducing this to you, ashwagandha. As I'm talking to you and saying ashwagandha, you can see all the benefits of using ashwagandha in your smoothies, in your drinks. It's really good for you. This is optional. I'm making an immune busting drink, so I have departed from the original Caribbean version. I don't want any Caribbean people ringing me up going, that's not how you make sorrel. I'm making my own version. Alright? I'm going to put a teaspoon of this in our drink. And to our immune busting drink, you know what I'm going to add, right? I'm going to add some sea moss. Now what I do is I make up my sea moss and I put them in ice cubes and I freeze them, and then every morning when I have my smoothie I take out a couple and I put it in my smoothie. As I'm talking to you, just under here you will see all the benefits of sea moss, especially during this time we need to build up our immune system. Blops! And then to sweeten our immune busting sorrel, I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of agave syrup, rather than white processed sugar, which is not good for us. But you can also do pure maple syrup, that's not too bad, or coconut sugar, which I often use in my baking. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to strain it. And now we're going to add some beautiful lemon. Just going to put it in a nice jug. I just do this. I'm also going to squeeze a little bit of orange in here as well. And I'm going to add lots of citrus fruit. I'm filming your skylarking. This is how we ended up going into the hospital. So I'm very blessed, guys, because my fruit and veg guy, at the end of the day, when he's still got loads of stuff left and he wants to go home, this is what he gives me. This is my cabbage. There is ginger, there's loads of bananas, carrots with the head tops on it. I've got, oh, what do you call that? That's called, well, that tincala. I got that anyway. I got cucumber, big fat ones as well. There's mango in there, there's onions, there's tomatoes, there's peppers at the bottom. There is peaches. And then he also got me, and he got me, look, are these raspberries, just because he wants to go home. Thank you very much, my Essex greengrocers. Half of this is going to Dad. Please try my simple, healthy, immune-busting sorrel. Remember, it's my version. Shall we try it? Ah! My fruit thing's gone. I'm going to put the fruit thing over there. Let's give it a try. Delicious, really fruity, and you can taste the ginger, the cayenne pepper. In fact, the cayenne pepper and the ginger all just going and really get in my throat, but that's okay. It's my immune busting sorrel. Guys, try it, try it, try it, try it, try it. The reason why I'm in the garden is because the kids are with their dad, so I can chill for a little bit. It's lovely weather. Also, my little boy, before he left, he did a beautiful drawing, and what I like about my drawing is that he got my hair in the bun and also got me a bit of a wry smile, so I'm smiling a bit like this. I don't know how to do it. That's me with my bun, and that's my son, and with my love hearts. Best to mum. So guys, I hope you like my recipes. Please try it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have you subscribed yet? Share this with everybody who wants to build up their immune system. Guys, I hope you have a lovely week. I will see you next time. Stay blessed, and for healthy vegan recipes, I'm the girl. I'm the girl. Rainbow love.